Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean up Windows 11 to improve speed and performance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure to open your system and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to let everything finish loading before you start making any changes to ensure the system is fully ready to process your commands. Once your PC is ready, navigate to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Settings and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Settings window where you can access all your system configurations. From here, you'll see several settings categories displayed on your screen. Look for and click on System. This section contains all the core settings related to your computer's hardware and storage management. You'll now be directed to your Windows System settings. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Storage. This option gives you a detailed breakdown of how your computer's storage is being used across different categories. Understanding what's taking up space is the first step in cleaning up your system and improving its overall performance. From the Storage menu, you'll see a list of your storage usage with different categories like apps, documents, and system files. The most recommended category to clean up is temporary files. These are files that Windows and your applications create during normal operation but no longer need. Click on Temporary Files to preview all the options that you can clear. You'll see various types of temporary data like Downloads folder, Recycle bin, and temporary internet files. Go ahead and select the items you want to remove by checking the boxes next to them, then click on Remove Files. This process might take a moment depending on how much data you're clearing, so just give it some time to finish. After clearing space, head back to your Storage menu by clicking the back arrow. Now scroll down and look for the option called Optimize Drives. This feature is crucial because it speeds up and improves the performance of your computer by reorganizing data on your drives for faster access. Click on Optimize Drives to open it. An Optimize Drives window will appear showing all your available disk drives. From this menu, simply select which disk drive you wish to improve performance on by clicking on it. Typically, you'll want to optimize your main system drive, which is usually the C drive. Once you've selected your drive, click on the Optimize button. The optimization process will begin and may take several minutes depending on the size and condition of your drive. During this time, your computer is reorganizing files to make them easier and faster to access, which directly improves your system's speed and responsiveness. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up temporary files and optimized your drives, which should give your Windows 11 system a noticeable performance boost. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.